Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Windy Mulyani Putri from B class, and now I want to answer the question about Chaban Sewu waterfall in Lumajang. First question is, what is the history of Chaban Sewu? The answer is the name Chaban, which in Javanese means waterfall, and Sewu, which means thousand, indeed deserve to be pinned for a waterfall that has a height of not less than 1080 meters. Second, why can this place be a tourist spot? The answer is Tumpang Sewu waterfall is the most beautiful waterfall in Java and Indonesia. Tumpang Sewu waterfall has a unique information because it has a wide flow of water like a curtain, so that it is included in the tiered waterfall type. Okay, the third, what are the attraction of this tourist attraction? The answer is enjoy the beauty of Chaban Sewu, and you can take a picture like this. Okay. Next, how to improve the quality of this tourist spot? The answer is maintain the quality of this tourist attraction in order to remain beautiful. Okay, the next question is, who is the manager in Chaban Sewu waterfall? The question is PT Pahlawi. Every day, until what time can this tourist spot be visited? I think around 500 people per day. Okay, next, how are this attraction introduced in a wide audience to be better known? The answer is through promotional media such as booklets, video, website, and social media. Okay, next, how to involve local people in preserving this attraction? The answer is given a direction on how to protect the natural environment, including Chaban Sewu. Next, what is the response of local and foreign tourists about this place? The answer is, the response is good place for recreation. Okay, next, what are the impact resulting from the existence of this attraction socially and economically? Surrounding communities have jobs when the tour is open and get to know many people from various regions and abroad. Okay, about ticketing in Chaban Sewu waterfall is 10,000 rupiah per people. Okay, what next? About the accommodation in Chaban Sewu, I give two accommodation in Chaban Sewu. First is Dear Traveler Guest House and Glamping. This is a guest house near in Chaban Sewu waterfall. This is the room. Okay, and second is Omah Nusantara Homestay. This is the room. Okay, this is a hotel in Omah Nusantara Homestay. Yes, that's it. Okay, how about do we get to Chaban Sewu? You can use public transportation or private vehicles. And next, what are the facilities available in Chaban Sewu? First, homestay. Yes, the two homestay. Homestay. Second, photo spot and a place to eat and drink. Okay, and the last question and the last answer is, what obstacle do they experience in developing tourist attraction? The answer is fun. Okay, that's all for me. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.